Hey, Thomas here, and I would like to get some feedback on the automation portion of SmartFlow and ESB. I'm trying to make this simpler to build your scripts. So I created I think earlier before we were able to export, import snippets, and we can save and load full scripts. So we're able to reuse a lot of our scripts in many different other scripts. In order to speed up your build and make it easier for you to build scripts, I created this script window here, and we're going to have different categories that you can choose from. And let's see, like we'll click emails. So we have pre-built scripts right here. Send HTML, send text email, send HTML email with attachment, get record, that was just for testing purposes, and send text email. So what I'm going to do is I want to build these scripts out that you can just open this window up and click add script. It adds a snippet to your script. So if you double click that, let's make this a little bit bigger. You can see we have the send HTML email. This is a script I pre-built that I added by clicking a button. So now there's a couple different areas on here that I want you to take notice. Like this is all these features from here down is what actually creates your email and sends it to the recipient. So in order for this to work, it needs some information, like it needs to be able to log into your email account. It needs the email message. It needs the subject line, and it needs the recipient information. So at the top, I have a set variables category here, and you can see that there's a error right there, which means that there's some variables that you need to set. Now, when you set those variables, all of this will work, but not until you set these variables. So here you set the SMT host, the username, the password, the port. So what you need to do after you add these scripts is look for the set variables section, and you need to set the value of these variables for the script to run. Now you can continue adding more. Say we got an email and we want to get the attachment for the email and then zip that into a directory. So like we could go to files and we can click on the zip files. We want to unzip a file. So we click that, and here's the unzip file. So if we open that up, again, here's the set variables section that we need to set these variables in order for the rest of this script to run. Hopefully I'm explaining this well enough so you understand, because I could really use some feedback on if I'm making this easier for you to use or if I'm just confusing you even more. But also another thing I want to point out is this script builder window will have a library set up, so you could add your own scripts to the library. So if you were to create like a script like that, you would click this, and then I'll have a button up here that says add to library, and you can set the category, and then you can break it up into like groups of scripts like this. So that way, next time if it's something, a little snippet that you use a lot, you can just go ahead and click the add script button, and it'll add it to your whatever script you're working on. Hopefully that makes sense, because I've said script quite a bit in this video.